I was sitting at home, got a call on my phone from my buddy. Asked if he stopped by the store and pick up a case of beer. He said, wish I could, but hey Matt, I ain't got the money. I said, get on back, don't you worry, the party is going on here. Got girls running around in the kitchen, they're all half naked. I'm hoping and praying to God to stay the night. And I'm thinking that maybe I shouldn't, but I say, what the hell, come on boys, let's have a good time. Honey, I know you're home sleeping, and I'm out running wild. Don't you ever forget that they call me the wild child. Walked out on the back porch and talked to a pretty lady. She came up to me and had asked me for a light. I said, what you smoking, Marlboros or marijuana? She said both with a grin, but I like the coke and lime. Well, we don't need Scooby-Doo to solve this mystery. It's clear to see the want me in your eyes. And I'm thinking that maybe I shouldn't. My girl wouldn't know, but still it just wouldn't seem right. Honey, I know you're home sleeping, and I'm out running wild. Don't you ever forget that they call me the wild child. We ran out of beer, broke out a half-gallon of Jaeger. I took off the top and passed it around. I said, hey lady, do you want the grand tour? I took her upstairs, closed the door and laid her down. Honey, I know you're home sleeping, and I'm out running wild. Don't you ever forget that they call me the wild child. Honey, I know you're home sleeping, and I'm out running wild. Don't you ever forget that they call me the wild child.
Halt, ball frasejat que consta de dues parts. La part A és de 64 temps, la part B és de 32 temps. La seqüència del ball és A, B, llavors hi ha la part A fins al temps 32, una altra vegada la part A fins al temps 32, després fem la part B, una altra vegada la part B i per acabar el ball la part A fins al temps 16. Comencem per la part A. Moviments sincopats, peu dret, taló, kick-hook, coaster step, kick-ball, pas endavant i dos holds. Peu esquerre, kick-hook, kick, coaster step, rock step, quart, tanquem i un stop. Fem amb el peu dret, kick-ball, cross, mambo, cross, hold, hold, kick-ball, cross, mambo, cross, rock step, quart, tanquem i un hold. Ara repetim-lo del principi fent kick-hook, kick, coaster step, kick-ball, pass, hold, hold. Kick-hook, kick, coaster step, rock step, quart, tanquem i un hold. Ara fem passos lents, que és un pas a la dreta, hold, punta darrere, hold, 3/4 de volta en 2 temps de música, pas a la dreta, tancar, i ara fem sincopat, fem amb el peu dret, pas, cross, quart de volta, peu esquerre, quart de volta amb un rock step i creuar, i repetim, pas, cross, quart de volta, i per acabar la part A fem un pas en quart de volta i tanquem amb el peu dret. Molt bé, ara anem per la part B. La part B fem 10 estrats, anem cap a la dreta, fem cap a la dreta, punta, mitja volta, punta, mitja volta. Pas a la dreta, creuar per davant, pas a la dreta, i un estomp sense posar-hi el pes. Cap a l'esquerra amb l'altre peu, simètric, tot exactament el mateix. Punta, mitja volta, pas, creuar, pas i tancar, amb un estomp sense posar-hi el pes. Anem cap enrere amb el mateix, fem punta, mitja volta, però aquí fem un rock step saltant i 2 passos endavant. I per acabar el ball fem un rock step davant, punta, mitja volta i un rock saltant. I aquí s'acaba la part B i, per tant, tota la coreografia.